Hey guys, my name is Rana and I run multiple e-commerce businesses which include international dropshipping, Indian POD, and I'm not just running these businesses, I'm doing a profitable e-commerce business. Let's talk about how do I run these profitable e-commerce businesses. Even though there are many factors comes in to run a profitable dropshipping business, if you're doing a dropshipping, you have to do some keyword research and you have to find a trending product. You build your own dropshipping website as well, or you can say you set up your website, everything you have done. But sometimes what happens is we have to spend money on Facebook ad or any kind of paid ads. At this point, most of the people lost their valuable money and time, especially beginners. The question is why they fail. You may say that they failed because they don't know how to run ads or they had chosen the wrong product to promote. In reality, this isn't the right reason. Suppose they know how to run ads and they chose or select the right viral product as well, but they still failed. Why is that? Well, we all know that first impression is the last impression. If you have poor product photo on your ads or on your website, then how do you expect to getting sale? People will scroll your ad and you lost your money. To stop people scrolling your ad, you must improve your image quality of your product. Use high resolution photos. I'm not just talking about HD photos you should use. You should use eye-catchy and clickable images. If you're using multiple images of single product, then all your photos should be in HD and it should be eye-catchy and clickable. Now it's time to show you guys how I create phenomenal photos for my product only using free AI tool. We are going to look at 2 or maybe 3 examples, or you can say we will use 2 or 3 photos from different types of e-commerce platform. First, we will use the photo of own e-commerce business. People who run their own e-commerce business, they usually take their own product photo with their phone like this. They put their product on anywhere like on table and they click that product photo with their phone. But the problem is photo taken by the phone 80 to 90% terrible. But don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn your boring photo into awesome photo or clickable photo, eye-catchy photo with few clicks of button only using free AI tool. Second, we will use a photo from dropshipping supplier. When you import product from your dropshipping supplier, you import photos as well of the product, but that product photo is 30 to 50% bad, but it needs some improvement. I'll show you how you can improve that type of photo as well only using free AI tool. And finally, if you're doing a print-on-demand business, I'll show you how you can use different types of model for your product page. Like you can use a male, female, middle-age, teenage. These type of model you can use for your print-on-demand business. For example, they can showcase your printed t-shirt. If you have a printed mug, they can hold the mug. You can basically use these model to showcase your product. If you are excited to see this free AI tool, let's go to my computer screen back here and let's create awesome product photos together. Let's go. Okay, buddy, first of all, go to the first link in the video description and you will land on this website, VirtuLook AI. This is by Wondershare. We all know this company from long time. Now they came up with this amazing AI tool. If you're doing POD business or any type of business, you can generate these type of models for your product. If you scroll down, you can see if you generate photos with this amazing tool, it will cost you 0.02 cent per picture. Otherwise, if you want to hire a professional photographer or graphic designer for your product photos, it will cost you more than $150 per image. The best part is, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, if your photo is excellent, it will increase the conversion rate of your e-commerce business, or you can say it will increase the sale amount of your product. Okay. If you keep scrolling down, you can see that you can show off different clothes on as many bodies or as many real life based model as possible. This is an amazing AI tool to generate amazing or stunning photos with few clicks of button. Scroll down, you can see it can generate product photos as well. All you have to do, just drag and drop your boring product photo and it will generate photos like these. So if you notice or observe these photos, you can see that this product is blended with the background very nicely. This happened just because of this product image generator tool. So I won't waste you more time. I'm going to show you exactly how you can generate the product photos and real based models. On this website, you have to create an account just by clicking on the sign up for free button, or you have to log in. But before that, if you look at the pricing section right here, you can see this AI tool comes with free plan and the monthly plan and yearly plan. And these are the premium plan, guys. If you want more photos, you can get these plan as well. Otherwise, you can stick with the free plan. Let's close this out and let's click on sign up for free. Let's open link in a new tab. You can create an account using Google account, Facebook, Twitter, Apple account, or you can simply type your email, password, or create an account. Since I already have an account with VirtuLook, I'm gonna log in into my account. Okay, so I've successfully logged into my account. I have a premium account. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I run multiple e-commerce businesses or e-commerce website. I need huge amount of photos to generate. So I bought this premium plan because you can see by yourself, this amazing AI tool can generate amazing photos of your product with few clicks of buttons. So if we have the tool that can generate amazing photos, then why would we hire a professional photographer at high cost? But in reality, no photographer can give you the exact same result like this AI tool can give you. Anyways, let's start with our first photo or first example. I'm going to use this photo because people who run their e-commerce business from home, they take photos with their phone. So I've taken this photo with my smartphone. So I'm going to use the exact same photo and let's see what will we get with this free AI tool. Okay, when you land on the dashboard, we have two options. We have the real based models, and if you scroll down, you can see we have the product photo generator. Let's generate a product photos. Click over here, create new, or you can use these photos as well. So here we have to go through two steps. First, we have to upload a photo and then we have to select the background area. Okay, let's drag and drop this photo. After uploading your photo, click over here. So now it processing your photo, it will remove the background and it will identify the product. So as you can see, it takes few seconds. Now all you have to do, you have to select the area of your product that you want to keep like this. Click on each area of your product. And here you can see we have two types of color, light green and dark green. The dark green area is close to the camera and the light green area is further away from the camera. Okay, once you select your selection, click OK. And now you can see we have this section right here. We have the use template section and we have the custom editing section. First, let's look at the use template section. Here you have to select how many photos you want to generate, and we have the upscaler section. You can select 2x, 4x. This will increase your photo quality. Next, you can add only color like gray, gold, black, white, or any color you want, or you can add a nature background, water, urban, interior, so on and so forth. Or you can do one thing, you can go to custom editing. Here you have to type a prompt. For example, I want to see my product in front of the blue ocean and send with the sunset in the background and a superb quality. I'm not telling you have to type the exact same prompt. You can type anything you have in your mind. You can type something like, I want to see my product on a grass, green grass, or maybe I want to see my product sitting on a table with candles or something like that. If you don't know how to write a prompt, you can use ChatGPT free account and ask ChatGPT to give me an idea to write a prompt. It will give you some ideas to write a prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it over here and click on cast a spell. It will generate amazing photo for you guys. First, let's use these templates. I'm going to use the interior section. Here I'm going to select the living room and then click on cast a spell. I'm going to generate two images with 4x scale quality. Let's click on cast a spell and let's see the magic of this amazing AI tool. It'll take only 50 seconds, guys. So I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done. Alright guys, so as you can see the amazing result generated by this AI tool. My teddy bear is now in the living room. You can see if you zoom in, this is the amazing photo generated by this amazing AI tool, as you can see. And look at this photo right here. This teddy bear is sitting on the maybe table or maybe a small chair. I don't know, but looks amazing. This is amazing photo. I can use this photo directly on my product page. It will definitely going to increase the conversion rate, guys. Let's try different location. Let's say maybe this style, Morandi style. Click on cast a spell and let's say, okay buddy, you can see this style is amazing as well. You can see that we have another two amazing photos. You can see with the same product. Now let's look at the another example. If I go to Aliexpress I've opened this Aliexpress just because most of the people doing drop shipping with Aliexpress. On Aliexpress, you can see some product photos are not accurate to promote. When you're doing some paid ads, if you are showing this type of photo, you can't expect the higher conversion rate of your product. So let's download any of this photo. For example, this shoes right here from Aliexpress. Let's close this out. Since I already have downloaded the shoes photo, let me quickly go back and let me replace the photo with this one. So I've downloaded this photo from Aliexpress. This photo is 50% okay, but I want improvement in this photo. After uploading the photo, I'm gonna click over here. Again, it will processing your photo. It takes few seconds. Now you have to select the area. I'm gonna select the whole product like this one. Okay, once you're done with your selection, click OK. Now I'm gonna choose 4x, scroll down, and in the interior section, I'm gonna select the bedroom and I'm gonna click on cast a spell. Okay, buddy, as you can see that results are amazing. This looks natural. If you're happy with the results, you can download your photo just by clicking over here and it will download your photo. As you can see, by the way, you can clearly see the difference between before and after. This is what we have with this amazing AI tool, guys. Now let's try some custom editing here. Let's type something. I want to see my product on green grass. You can add negative prompt if you want. If you enable this option here, you can type do not add this thing, do not add that thing, something like that. Okay, so keep in mind that this option is also available. This kind of prompting style I've seen in other AI tools like Leonardo.ai. If you go to Leonardo here, you can see if you scroll down, if you open any of this photo like this one, you will see the prompt right here. You can try any of these prompts in your products. Keep scrolling down and find the image that may give you the right prompt for your background. Okay, let's open this photo and let's see what we have. You can see this is the prompt and this is the negative prompt. Okay, so kind of same prompting style, guys. So I just wanted to show you. I've seen this type of prompting style on another AI tool, but Leonardo can generate the product photos. Leonardo has designed to generate different types of photos, but VirtuLook designed to generate specially product photos, guys. Let's try this prompt and click on cast a spell. I'm gonna close the Leonardo and it will take 50 seconds and I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back. Okay, buddy, as you can see that this is the result we have here. This green grass not fits with these shoes, but these type of background is awesome with these type of products. I recommend you to type a prompt or add a background that merge with your product. So that's why I'm telling you, you can take help of ChatGPT if you do not know how to write a prompt, but this option is also available for you guys. You are not limited here. And finally, let's test out our real based model. Let's click on create a new, and here I'm gonna upload a photo. So I'm gonna upload my photo just for the demonstration purposes. Let's say I'm selling this type of jacket, but I want to change the model. All I need to do, I need to upload a photo and click over here, and now I have to select the area in case the cloth and then click OK. In the left hand side, you have to set the model, male or female, male, skin tone, fair, medium, olive, deep, medium, age group, adult, middle age, elder or child. Let's go with adult. Here you can change the project name. In the right hand side, you can see same type of style. You can use a template or you can type custom prompt. Okay, let's go for use template. Select 4x, scroll down. I'm gonna select this one, a runway, and click on cast the spell. And let's see the magic. Alright guys, so as you can see that results are amazing. This person wearing the same jacket with amazing background. Skin tone is changed as you can see here. So with the same method, you can generate as many photos as you want with different types of gender, skin tone and age group. Okay, or you can change different types of background as well. And if you go to custom editing, here you can see I want to see my product worn by, held by, or used by, or carried by with a man, natural skin tone. Or next, you can input more prompt here if you want, and you can generate 1 to 4 photos. You can upscale the photo. You can add a negative prompt if you want. There are so many possibilities you can do with this AI tool. So again guys, stop hiring the expensive professional photographer use this free amazing AI tool to generate your product photos. It will definitely 110% going to increase the conversion rate of your e-commerce business. I'm using this tool for months and I'm getting the positive results with these amazing photos. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos just like this one. And of course, don't forget to let me know in the comment section if you found this tool useful for your e-commerce business or not. So that being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.